Welcome everyone. Now I will show you very simple but powerful editing technique in Audacity. It is as simple as editing in a document editor like MS Word. If you know these editing techniques, you will be more confident during your voice recording because you know you can fix this kind of things later in editing. I am going to show you a demo. I have two audio files here. Let's open Audacity. File, open the first one. Then file, import audio, the second one. I want these files in the same project, so I have imported the second one. Using open for another file will open it in new window, which I do not want. I am saving this as Audacity project, so that will give me the freedom to save the project time to time and work later if I do not complete in one go. Let's listen what we have got here. 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, 6, 7, 9, 8, 10. Original recording is bit low. Now I will apply these 4 simple steps to improve the audio. Select a silent part and noise reduction. Get noise profile. Select the whole file and noise reduction. OK. Now effect filter curve. I use this custom EQ which works well for my voice. We'll discuss about EQ technique in a later video. OK. Now compression. Then normalize. I will also follow those 4 steps for the second track, but doing this separately because different audio may have different noise. Also, you may need to apply different compression and normalization settings based on the audio recording. I know this one bit rough, so de-amplify it to make it smooth. Let's listen to it. 1, 2, 5, 4, 3. So we have got 2 recordings of 1 to 5 and 6 to 10. But the order is not correct. Let's see how we can fix it. I will make a single track from these 2 tracks. Select all tracks by Command A or select all from menu. Then go to tracks, align end to end. Then tracks, mix and render. I have now one track but in wrong order. I will add a label track. Label track is not needed here as the audio length is small, but I am using label just to show what options are in Audacity. I'll click the point where I want the label and just type. If that doesn't happen for you, go to Edit, Labels and see Type to create a label is checked. Now we select, cut and paste to the right place. You see when we do this, the label and audio track are no longer synced. To solve this, click on track from where you will cut, then shift click on the label track and select. Now cut and paste to the right place with same technique. Click on the point of the track where you want to paste and then shift click on the label track. Like cut, there is also a copy option. There is also a duplicate option, which will copy the selected part in a new track. Now the order is correct. Now I will adjust placement of audio with time. I want 1 second gap between each words. Let's zoom in a bit so I can see more details of the time. You can zoom in more to see more details. After click in a point in timeline, you can use keyboard left and right arrow to get precise placement. There is another tool you can use, time shift tool. Select a point, go to edit, clip boundaries, split. Select time shift tool. You can move it to left or right if there is a space. One thing to note when you use time shift tool, the gap will be filled with absolute silence. Let's complete the editing. Our editing is complete. Let's listen to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Now you can save it from file export. If you want very details timing of a part, you select and click on Fit Selection to it. Last tip. To play audio from a particular time, take mouse pointer to the number above timeline and click. I hope these tips will help you in your audio editing. Practice these tips and you will be fluent in Audacity editing. See you in the next video. Bye.